Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
The 468 series high-temperature Centrifugal fan from Decent Machinery ensures reliable and efficient combustion is supplied in power plants. Performance curves, including static pressure and temperature ratings, are analyzed to match the specific requirements of combustion systems. Dynamic balancing minimizes vibrations and enhances performance. Decent Machinery excels by providing high-quality materials and robust quality control, ensuring the fans meet international standards. Incorrect selection can lead to inefficient combustion, increased emissions, and high operational costs.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.